What if I told you that being a student in 2026 is actually a superpower? Not because school is easy, not because life is cheap, but because students today can make money in ways that never existed before. You don't need a job, you don't need experience, and you don't need to show your face. In this video, I'll show you 7 side hustles students can start in 2026 to make money online. These ideas are simple, they are real, and they work even if you're starting from zero. So keep watching, because the last idea is the easiest one, and most people skip it by mistake. Take a deep breath. Relax for a moment. Imagine yourself sitting in your room, opening your laptop, and knowing that today you could start something that earns you money. Let's begin. The first side hustle is AI content creation. Now don't worry, that sounds hard, but it's actually very simple. AI is like a smart helper. You tell it what you want, and it helps you make it. Students use AI to create short videos, pictures, captions, and posts for social media. Businesses need content every day, but many don't know how to make it. You help them, you sit at your computer, you use simple tools, you send the content, they pay you. You don't need talent. You don't need to talk on camera. You just need to follow steps. Think about this. If people are already watching videos all day, someone has to make those videos. Why not you? Pause for a second and imagine your first client sending you a message. Thank you for the work. And you see your first payment arrive. That feeling is amazing, and it motivates you to keep going. Now let's move to the second side hustle. Freelancing. Freelancing means doing small jobs for people online. Someone needs a logo. Someone needs a short video edited. Someone needs help writing. You help them. They pay you. Many students think freelancing is hard. It's not. Most clients want simple work done on time. The goal is not to be perfect. The goal is to be useful. Once you make your first dollar, something changes in your mind. You stop thinking like a student. You start thinking like a creator. Now stay with me, because the next side hustle is very powerful. YouTube automation. This means running a YouTube channel without showing your face. You make videos using words, pictures, clips, and a voiceover like this one. Topics can be facts, stories, motivation, or learning. You upload the video. People watch it. YouTube shows ads. You earn money. This takes time. It does not work overnight. But students who stay patient can build income that keeps coming. Imagine making a video once, and it keeps paying you again and again. That's called long-term income. Take a moment to picture it. One video today, someone watches it next month, someone watches it next year, and the money keeps coming. That's why this is so powerful. Next is affiliate marketing. This one is very simple. You recommend something. Someone buys it, you earn money, you don't make the product, you don't ship anything, you just share a link. In 2026, students do this using short videos. They talk about things they like or use. If someone buys because of your recommendation, you get paid. You already recommend things to friends. Now you can get paid for it. Take a second to imagine recommending something you love and seeing your first commission. Feels good, right? Next is online tutoring. If you understand a subject well, you can teach it online. Math, English, science, coding. You help someone learn. They pay you. Parents care about results, not age. This side hustle is calm and steady. You choose your time. You help people. And you earn money using knowledge you already have. Now ask yourself this. What subject do people ask you for help with? That might be your answer. Next is print on demand. This means selling items like shirts, hoodies, or notebooks with designs on them. You don't make the product, you don't ship it, you don't store it. Someone orders, the company prints it, they send it, you earn money. Students use simple designs, funny words, motivational quotes. Some designs fail, that's okay. You learn and try again. Take a moment and imagine designing your first shirt, seeing it sold online, and checking your earnings. Small but exciting. Now stay till the end, because the last side hustle is the fastest one. Microservices. These are small jobs that help people right away. Fixing phone settings, formatting assignments, making resumes look clean, helping with basic tech. These jobs don't sound big, but they solve real problems, and you are surrounded by people who need help. This side hustle doesn't need tools, ads, or waiting. It brings fast cash. Before the video ends, think about this. If you started just one of these side hustles today, where could you be 1 year from now? If this video helped you, like it. If you know a student who needs this, share it. And if you want step-by-step guides, subscribe and comment 2026. You don't need to be special. You just need to start.